Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Oukitel K13 Pro and let me share with you how to enable Google Backup on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings and now let's scroll down to the very bottom and tap on System. Now let's tap on Backup option and here let's tap on Account. Make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required for this operation, so you can use the mobile data or Wi-Fi, whichever you want to. And here from this step we can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone. So let me do it. A quick disclaimer, you do not have to enter the full email address, just the very first part of it before the @ symbol, and after tapping on next your device will autofill it. So now we have to enter the password and let me do this out of the screen. Here we have to decide who will be using this device, so let me tap on next and stick with the first option. And as you can see right here we've got Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy. Of course you can read it, just tap on it and here you've got all the info you need. So let's tap on I agree after reading. Here we've got a shortcut of backup and storage info, so just tap on accept because we should have this in this step, let's say. So here we can check that the backup includes apps and apps data, call history, contacts, device settings, and also text messages. So your device will also back up some data, the login, password, and so on and so on. So let's tap on OK. And as you can see, we've been transferred to the, let's say, section with the backup. So here we can check the account which we just added. Here we've got the active backups. So for example, the contacts, apps, data, and so on. Here you've got the option use Wi-Fi only, and I highly recommend to keep this option turned on because thanks to this you can be sure that you will not be charged for downloading something or backing up the data. So basically all you have to do right now is to simply backup now, and that's all. This is how to enable Google Backup in your Oukitel K13 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.